Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Last night, someone on a motorcycle almost hit me in the head. This truck driver tries to cross the road without looking both ways.
Waiting for the light to turn green.
Yours one? Yours? Just blue! Just blue on your car. Just blue.
You okay?
You alright, buddy?
Just a hazard light thing. How many red light runners do you count? Who ever heard of the left turn only lane? Not this Porsche Cayenne driver. Straight through on a left-hand turn? Why not? Almost got hit by someone who doesn't know how to change lanes. This idiot in a Nissan almost hit me. This idiot decides to roll through a stop sign. Instant karma in South Carolina for an impatient idiot.
What the f? What the f?
Some people think their time is more important than everyone else's, right?
What are you doing? It's a stop sign. What the f? Whoa!
Seems like some people can't stay within the lines. This white SUV is blocking the intersection, and the grey SUV decides to block the right lane and part of the left lane. I ran a yellow light, but the other guy jumped a red.
Non-stupid fucking people.
Do you know Jim Corden?
No! What the f are you doing? I'm about to get rear-ended again. What the fuck are you doing? Alright, now I'm about to get into another accident. Alright, hold on.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.